In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run ERPNext effortlessly on FrappyCloud. This process is straightforward and user-friendly, ensuring that you're up and running with your ERPNext instance in no time. So, let's dive right into it. First, open your preferred web browser and type in the URL http://frappycloud.com. This is the platform where you'll manage your ERPNext system, which is known for its flexibility and cloud-based efficiency. Upon landing on the FrappyCloud homepage, you'll be greeted with a sleek and intuitive interface. If you've already set up a FrappyCloud account, log in with your usual credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. The dashboard is your control center, displaying all the sites and resources associated with your account. You should see a list or grid of sites that you've created or have been involved with. Each site represents a unique ERPNext instance, providing you tailored functionalities to suit varying business needs. If this is your first time here, or if you're managing multiple sites, take a moment to familiarize yourself with how your sites are laid out on the dashboard. Now, locate the site you're interested in running. This should be easily identifiable by the site's name, which reflects the context or project it pertains to. Simply click on the site you wish to access. This action will initiate a redirect, steering you away from the dashboard and towards something more exhilarating, your live ERPNext instance. Being redirected to your running ERPNext instance is where the magic happens. Here, you'll have full access to the vast array of tools and features that ERPNext offers. From managing tasks and projects to handling accounting and human resources, every facet of business management can be conducted within this system. The layout is designed for ease of use, with various modules clearly organized so you can swiftly navigate between functions. If you are new to ERPNext, don't be overwhelmed by the multitude of options. Take your time to explore each module and perhaps start with a few essential tools that align closely with your immediate business needs. Over time, as you get more comfortable, you can delve deeper into ERPNext's capabilities and even integrate third-party applications if required. Remember, ERPNext is structured to grow with your business, offering the scalability you need to drive efficiency and streamline operations. Should you encounter any issues or require assistance, FrappyCloud comes with robust support, including documentation and a responsive community of users and developers. And there you have it. Running your ERPNext instance on FrappyCloud is as simple as visiting your dashboard and clicking your site. With these steps, you're set for seamless ERP management right from your browser. Stay tuned for more videos on getting the most out of your ERPNext experience.